Sitting off a bundle, one key, you know.
Come on, man.
Yo, I'm in Barca. We're walking around the city. Kinda not sure about how I like it, but
Oh shit!
Это было хорошо. That was good. Yeah, I've been walking around, filmed some shit. I'm gonna show it, not shit, some good stuff. I'm gonna show it to you later. And I'm here with my homie. It's, I don't know what time is it. I think it's 2 of the night. It's 3:29, and we're filming lightnings.
Останови трек, пожалуйста.
Those who know me well know that I'm absolutely obsessed with lightnings. And I can really spend hours watching them. And while you're listening these beautiful sounds of lightning strike, I'm gonna tell you some interesting facts. I'm pretty impressed by the delay between seeing the lightning and hearing its sound. That's because light travels 300,000 meters per second, while sound only 300 meters per second. So means that every 3 seconds of delay equal to 1 kilometer of distance between you and the lightning strike. In this case it was 11 seconds, so means that the lightning strike was 4 kilometers away. The first half of the day I was really not sure about how I like the city, because I was at the place, I don't know how to explain it, but like there's Barcelona and there's the part where the streets are like squares, you know. That part I didn't like at all. But as soon as I entered the old city, I was vibing, and the cool part is I randomly found a cool gallery. How do you say it? Gallery.
Gallery, bro. Art gallery.
Exactly. I'll show that gallery footage at the end of this episode, but now let's move to my next day in this city. Yo, what's up everybody? Bam.
Dat nodig heb. Dat nodig. Wow.
We're in the Barca with my homie Artyom, riding on the bikes. I wanna fix it. We're trying to get a rental where they have good ones. Yeah, as I was trying to explain you, the idea about our bike ride was to make me discover Barcelona, but I wanted to do it on Fixie. Fixie is a specific type of bike that is without brakes and with a fixed gear, and it's really fun to ride it. Actually, if you want, I can shoot you a whole episode about it, but we couldn't find one for me that day because all the rentals were closed. We're in the coast of we're in the coast of the Barcelona. I got my homie with me. He's trying to sneak some pictures of randoms. It's about film photography, man. This is Arty. We met like 2 years ago in a fashion event in Paris. And he's obsessed with street photography. As you can see, he just takes his camera and snaps everything he finds beautiful around him. And here's the photos he made that day, but I will also show you some other works of his. And let's enjoy that bike ride a little bit more. And while you're enjoying it, I want to remind you that one of my ideas of this blog, as I told you in the first episode, is to push artists that are around me. So if you liked the art that Artie made, don't hesitate to follow him. Tommy, where we are?
We are in Barcelona, the greatest city in Spain.
Okay, cool. And what's happening tonight?
Today is a very important festival
Okay.
to experience connection with your internal religion and connecting with new people.
So, how the place called? Как мы? Где мы? Garcia? Garcia. So we're at Garcia right now. It's a party. It's a party day. I don't know how to say it, but basically all the streets of Barca starts to look like that. Я вспомнил, что я хотел микро. Yo, so I'm at the Garcia right now. It's a day or a week, I guess, in Barca, where all the streets are getting dressed, oh, where the fuck is, getting dressed in some thematics. So here's the thematic of this street, and I'll show you all the others that we have here.
It's another bundle, one key you know.
Look. This is the Trojan horse. The Trojan was inside of these when they came to destroy the Republic of the enemies. Arrive to the origami stage and it's time to explore all the beautiful surroundings. Feel the flow of the Chinese. Buenas noches. ¿Cómo estáis?
Out.
Mañana. One brother man, we're at the game over stage. This is Pikachu. Game over. Next drink, game over. Hola. Buenas noches. No? How are you doing? Good night. What's your name?
Jade.
Jade. How are you enjoying the Garcia festivals?
It's very cool.
La crème de la crème, ¿no?
Exactement.
Exactement. Buenas noches. Por allá. Ahí, venga. Que me meto en el coche y le meto por el culo. Es como debe ser. Hello, mates.
I don't speak.
Okay. Crème de la crème, noche.
La crème de la crème. You speak French?
He speak French. Ouais. Attends.
Tu dis quoi? Tu t'aimes bien ce qui se passe?
Ouais, c'est sympa. Hein. Il y a une petite décoration, tout ça, c'est tranquille. Barcelone, c'est la fête.
Crème de la crème.
La crème de la crème.
На него обернулись все, кто можно.
The Garcia Festival felt a lot like Fête de la Musique. It's an international day of music that we used to celebrate in Paris every year. The vibe is really similar. There's a lot of music on the streets. There's whole city just feels like a festival. As you can see, there were some jazz music. There were also some stages with club music, with techno music. I didn't film it because I'm not a big fan, but no wonder that I filmed this. You don't have to know me well to know how much I love reggae and dub. And I was not that surprised that I randomly found that reggae stage that night, because it always happens with me. And this is especially funny because whole my trip was built around my way to the Rotterdam Festival. Rotterdam Festival is the biggest reggae festival in Europe. Here's some other footage from another day when I was discovering Barcelona even more, and by the end of the day I stumbled across this skate park and I thought that it's a perfect place to smoke. Afterward I got really motivated to film it. And I'm showing it to you because I really appreciate this sport, even though I'm not a skater myself. It just looks beautiful and I know how hard it is. So yeah, enjoy it. Oh, by the way, yeah, some of them sound off, but that's because it was a freestyle. But we chose the good ones, we looped it, we pitched it, and that's what you heard on the background. Of course, the skaters had a good music taste as well, so it was even more enjoyable to film there.
Yeah, me gusta marihuana, me gusta
What the hell, bitch?
I met this dude there as well. He's a true street dog. He lives in the bushes between this skate park and the beach. As local skaters told me, he's there to train his skate skills every single day, and his goal is to become a pro skater. There's even some local skate shops that sponsors him.
Wait.
Come on, bro.
You're too close, you're too close.
He told me that he's not drinking alcohol, so I gave him some money. And if you're gonna be in Barca, if you want to support him too, I'm more than sure that you're gonna be able to find him at that skate park. So I was walking around the streets and I found this gallery. And damn, I love the words here. And the space is hella cool. I'm pretty sure this one is my favorite one. So at the studio that I found randomly on the streets, just like that, a guy that worked there told me that there's another place, actually this place, where the art being created. And the woman that works here introduced me to the boss of the place. So everything here is found on the streets.
99% of it.
Damn.
Easily. Yeah. So like stuff like this. Stuff like this. You know, pictures, paintings, mirrors. This right here. But I redo this one.
Wow.
And yeah, antiques. That's antiques down the street. Stuff like these panels. All this stuff in here. All this stuff that you see here is been found in the
Wow.
streets.
The way the style is matching is crazy. Or it's you who painted that?
I did all that.
Okay,
I
okay.
did it for this particular installation. This is the
Okay.
bed. The front of the bed is right here. That's the other part.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Here's the sticker.
Oh, thank you. That's crazy. This place is absolutely filled with the art aura, like no words to explain it. The feelings you have there. And this is the first floor. I just wanted to film this. Yes. I absolutely love the basement. It's the aura there of art creation is crazy.
All this is the collection, Robert collection.
Okay, also found on the streets?
Everything.
So cool.
Including the plants.
So cool.
Everything. Okay, some things I found.
Okay.
Because he teach me, you
Okay,
know,
okay.
how to hunt. Yeah. And today is Tuesday. Today is the day of the trash in the street.
Okay, so even me, I have some chances.
Exactly. But if you find one treasure, you are fucked. Because then you will wait until the next Tuesday. Yeah, that's the thing.
That's so cool.
The chance to move the studio here and being working on our pieces. Also, the space is perfect.
So this is street art of the woman that I was talking with at the gallery. Чувствует себя дома. Ай-яй-яй-яй-яй-яй-яй-яй-яй-яй-яй! Вот. А, я думал, ты налево. Оп! Антон, иди сюда, надо послушать. Исай.
El mundo está estrellando verte brillar, no temas caer, levántate sin temor, en cada paso que das, sigue adelante, no hay montaña lo suficientemente grande.
Okay, all right. You're doing it every year of Rotterdam? Okay, cool.
At least one day, you know.
Of course, you have to.
Place to be, you know.
Of
Many
course.
friends to meet also.
Yeah?
All over Europe.
All right, okay, maybe meet you. I'm Vladimir.
And Max David.
Max, all right. Yes, I.
And the Alex.
Yes, I. Big up.
Nice to meet you guys.
Big up.
Have a good day, Artie.
Nice to meet you, Artie. I'm Max.
Nice to meet you.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in comments. I do read them and I do take notes. Here's what's waiting you in the next episode.
Ceux qui sont seuls ou se sentent dépassés, c'est ratatam-tam. On est venu là ici chanter pour les femmes et les hommes. Toi-même tu sais, c'est le ratatam-tam. Yes, I am.
Don't forget to travel, don't forget to discover, enjoy, It was Rewayze with you. Blessings.